Hello, welcome back to Lady Brown's Kitchen. On today's edition, we are going to prepare fried fish with boiled fried rice. So you first boil your rice to begin everything, alright? So after boiling your rice, you dress your ingredients as seen on the screen. We have our chopped chicken, our sausage, vegetables, and our fresh fish. So you fry our fresh fish. After, you start the preparation or frying of our fried rice. So this is the chicken and sausage we are frying together. We cut the chicken into pieces, as you can see. So this time we added our spicy, that is garlic, grinded or blended garlic with a little onions and whatever you prefer. So that you add your vegetable and rice. You wait till it fries for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you add your soya sauce. Then you mix it. You continue mixing it till it's even. I know you can't wait, and I can't wait to eat this. We keep frying till we get this brownish golden color. How attractive this is. After that, you serve yourself with garnishments like this. Oh, you are invited. Kindly leave your comments on what food to cook next on our next uploads. Bye bye.